Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of online marketplace and help you navigate the exciting realm of e-commerce. Today we are going to talk about one of the most essential aspects of online shopping, the marketplace account. So grab a seat and let's dive into the ins and outs of managing your online shopping presence. What's up, savvy shoppers? If you love the convenience of shopping online and discovering unique products from the comfort of your home, then understanding the world of marketplace accounts is a must. A marketplace account is your virtual identity in the online shopping world. It's your personal space where you can browse, buy, and sell products, connect with seller and buyers, and manage your transaction all within a single platform. Whether it's the global gains like Amazon and eBay or specialized marketplaces like ST for handmade items. Each marketplace offers its unique feature and benefits, but the fundamentals of managing your accounts remain quite similar across platforms. The first step is to create your marketplace account. Simply visit the website or download the mobile app of your preferred marketplace. Click on the sign up or create account button and follow the prompts to provide your personal information such as your name, email address, and sometimes a phone number. Once your account is created, it's time to personalize it and make it truly yours. Upload a profile picture and write a catchy bio or introduction that reflects your personality or business. This helps buyers or sellers get a sense of who you are and what you offer. Now comes the exciting part, exploring the marketplace and discovering products that catch your eye. Make use of filters, categories, and search functionalities to narrow down your choices and find exactly what you are looking for. Read product descriptions, check out customers' reviews, and compare price to make informed buying decisions. Once you have found your perfect item, it's time to process to the checkout process. This usually involves adding items to your cart, selecting shipping option, and entering your payment details. Many marketplaces offer secure payment gateways to ensure the safety of your transaction. After completing your purchase, you will receive confirmation and update regarding the shipping and delivery of your order. Most marketplaces also provide a tracking feature allowing you to keep an eye on the progress of your package. But marketplace accounts are not just for buyers. If you are interested in selling your own products or service, having a seller account whole opens up a whole new world of opportunities. To start selling, you will typically need to provide additional information such as bank account details for receiving payments and create compelling product listing with attractive images and informative description. Managing your marketplace's account as a seller involves monitoring your inventory, responding to customer inquiries, and ensuring timely order fulfillment. It's all about providing excellent customer service and building a strong reputation as a trusted seller. Remember, your marketplace account is your gateway to a world of opportunities. Take advantage of promotional tools, customer reviews, and seller analytics to optimize your online selling experience. So, whether you are a buyer or a seller, marketplace account is your key to unlocking the vast world of online shopping. It empowers you to discover unique products, connect with seller and buyer worldwide, and manage your transaction with ease. Stay active, engaged, and responsive on your marketplace account. Engage with the community. Leave review for products you love and support small businesses. Together, we can make the most out of the incredible world of online marketplaces. Thanks for tuning in today, Savvy Shoppers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy shopping! And as always, if you have any question or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, happy marketplace adventure. Thank you.